Looking for a burger that's lower in fat without losing out on the taste? Then give our turkey, feta and spinach burger a try. So here's what you're going to need. 500 grams of turkey mince. Now get either a blend of thigh and breast meat or just thigh meat. That's because if you get just breast meat, the lack of fat will affect the flavour. About 50 grams of chopped spinach, 300 grams of feta cheese, some cucumber and a bread roll. So first thing to do is to pop your turkey mince into a mixing bowl. Then crumble into the bowl about half of your feta cheese. Don't worry too much about how big your pieces are, but you're looking for pieces, not crumbs. Then add in your chopped spinach and start to combine the ingredients. Make sure everything's combined properly. You want to see an even spread of ingredients throughout the mix. This quantity of ingredients should make you 4 quarter-pound burgers. Now grab a quarter of your mixture and start forming that into a burger. You're just forming a burger here, you don't want to crush the meat because it will lose some of its texture. Then season both sides of the burger with your favourite seasoning. We've gone with a grinder that contains salt, garlic and mixed herbs. And once you're done with that, you're off to the grill. Preheat your grill for direct hot and fast cooking. Then place your burgers directly over the coals. Now these are going to need to cook for about 4 minutes aside. Once your 4 minutes is up, it's time to flip them over. Take extra care when you're flipping these burgers. The lack of fat can make them a little bit fragile. Now cooking over coals is not an exact science. You can get hotter and colder portions of the coal without them looking any different. So if you're getting uneven cooking, don't be afraid to move the burgers around so they cook evenly. Cook the burgers on this side for another 4 minutes. Once that time's up, it's time to flip burgers for one last time. The meat should have firmed up by now, so it's in no danger of falling apart. Take some of your leftover feta and just crumble that onto the top of the burger. Then add your halved burger buns to the direct heat just to toast them off lightly. Pop your lid back on and cook for about another minute. Everything should now be nicely toasted, so it's time to take everything off and assemble your burger. Now you can set this up any way you want, but we're going with a few slices of cucumber, some ranch dressing, and then your burger. And there you have it, a lower fat alternative to your standard burger without compromising on any of the taste. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a click on the like button, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more great barbecue videos. Thanks for watching.